going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Fall in Love by JUMEX. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or I'll elbow drop that ass from the top rope. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, so this song's in standard tuning, and I'm going to show you the chords that you can play throughout the song, and I'm going to show you the picking pattern that plays throughout the entire song. If you need the guitar tab or the chord diagrams, you can find them both in the video description below. The guitar tab will be a Dropbox link, and the chord diagrams you can find in the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. We'll start with the picking pattern. You're just going to hold 6 down on the D string, and you're picking D and B. You just alternate picking those 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go to 7 on A and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, 6 on D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 on A. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then go 4 on D, 3 on G, but you're going to pick D and B. You're going to pick it 1, 2, 3 times, and then pick B, G, B on the 4th time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Do that twice. So D, B, D, B, D, B, G, B twice. D, B, D, B, D, B, G, B, D, B, D, B, D, B, G, B. And then that entire thing just repeats throughout the entire song. So again, slowly from the top, 6 on your D string, 7 on your A, 4 on D, 3 on G, So if you want to know the chords to play along through the song, they're pretty simple. It's going to be a G sharp minor, which is 4, 6, 6, 4, 4, 4. Then it's going to be E major, which is 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. And then F sharp major, which is 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2. Once you get the chords down, all you need is a strumming pattern. I find the best one that works is going to be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with a free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.